All right, turning now to another story. Elizabeth Holmes is now set to go to prison in less than 2 weeks. That's according to a ruling from a federal judge today. Holmes, as you may remember, is the disgraced founder and CEO of the failed startup company Theranos. A judge last year sentenced her to more than 11 years in prison after she was convicted of defrauding investors who poured millions of dollars into her company. Holmes had asked to remain free on bail while she challenges her conviction, but an appeals court denied that today. 39-year-old fraudster became pregnant with her second child after a jury found her guilty in January of 2022. Her lawyers unsuccessfully argued she should stay out of jail because she's a mom. Joining us now for more on this is criminal defense attorney Sarah Azari. Sarah, great to have you here. You and I have been talking about this case a lot. Elizabeth Holmes said one of the main reasons she should be allowed to remain free on appeal is that she has a baby and a 1-year-old. It's worth noting 60% of women in prison today are mothers.
Yeah, Elizabeth, I can't tell you how many of my clients are mothers of young children or pregnant during the course of their case. But this was really presumptuous of her because she had both of these pregnancies occurred during the course of her open pending charges, one of them while she was waiting for sentencing. So to me, it was very presumptuous that she thought, she's going to be not guilty or she's not going to be sentenced to prison time, having not just one child, but two. And, I think I've had clients with terminal illness being sent to prison, federal prison.
Right.
So clearly, pregnancy is not a mitigating factor.
No, and to put a point on that, she got pregnant after she was convicted. She knew she was facing a lengthy prison term. Her co-defendant, Sunny Balwani, who helped run Theranos, was also convicted of many counts of fraud, is already in prison. His bid to remain free in appeal also denied. Why did she think she would be different?
Well, I think it's worth a try because the factors that go to whether you get an appeal bond is basically if you're a flight risk, if you're a danger to the community, which Judge Davila, who I've been before many times, said she's not. The issue was the likelihood of her success on appeal. And clearly, while I'm not saying she's going to lose this appeal necessarily, it wasn't a winnable appeal with flying colors. So that's why the Ninth Circuit also denied her being out on bond. So she is going to report to this prison in Texas. We only have one federal prison camp in California, Dublin. And even though statistically there are less women being incarcerated than men, I mean, there's only so many women we can fit in this one facility.
Right.
So she is sent to this facility, and it's sort of like a Martha Stewart kind of camp where also the Real Housewife of Utah, Jen Shaw, is serving her time. So she'll have a lot of privileges.
I don't know how you pulled that factoid out of thin air. All right, Sarah. She's supposed to report to prison on May 1st in Texas. We'll see what happens. Thanks so much for being here tonight.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.